Janet with Try It Like It Created, and today I am sharing with you the October monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth. So let's take a look and see what comes inside. For this month, the theme is immunity support, which is so appropriate for this time of year. And what you're going to get are these 4 oils that are in here. This is Cajeput, I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, eucalyptus, fir needle, and digest. And then you're going to get a multi-purpose cleaning tablet that works for a recipe. You're going to get this cute little serum bottle that goes with a recipe. You've got menthol crystals, and you've got your stickers for making the recipes and labeling the tops of your bottles with the circles. Now the recipes that are included is this cooling massage oil, and this goes into the serum bottle. We've got Clear the Air Diffuser Blend, Stomach Soother Roll-On, and you're going to use a roll-on from your big box. Menthol shower steamers. These you're going to make in a mold, something similar to an ice cube tray. Multi-purpose cleaning spray. This goes in a 16-ounce spray bottle for cleaning. And then you've got a menthol chest rub, and it goes into a small jar. So that's what's included in your box. When you sign up for your subscription for your monthly box, you are then going to receive an email for a $40 gift card. And that gift card can then be used for your next box or for any other items that you want to purchase from Simply Earth. And to get that discount, you want to use the code TRYIT. And that's my affiliate code that I get to share with you for your gift card for $40. I wanted to share with you the value of this box. It's $126.32, and you're going to get it for $39. So that is a great deal. Plus, you get all the recipes and how to use the different oils. So don't forget to use my code, which is TRYIT, and I'll put links down below in the comment section for you to subscribe.